Welcome to the Econ's Demo Lab, your experience center for the Econ Sales and Product Configurator. Our Demo Lab offers Econ models for different industries. You can start off with a movie like this one, then move on to a demo where you can work hands-on with our solution. For this movie, we'll be focusing on the Econ copier configurator, perfect for companies that sell and produce make-to-order and leased goods. You'll see how quickly users can select options and service contracts, and how Econ can even advise you. We'll show you how Econ changes pricing and other variables in real time. We'll take you all the way to final printing and presentation to the customer. Let's get to work with our configurator. We want to select and configure a copier solution, including installation services and a finance offering. We'll start by entering the number of copiers our customer wants. For his office, he needs 2 copiers. Next, we select a machine that fits his requirements. When we select, Econ automatically brings in the price, the number of hours needed for installation, and total price. A picture of our machine is shown as well. Another great feature is that Econ will advise us about the most popular options for this copier, which are already selected by default. For example, let's select the top of the bill machine, a huge copier. All options are automatically selected as well. But this is more than our customer wants. Here we go. The 6201 machine is exactly what we need. All we need to do is expand the finishing unit, which in turn allows us to change the perforation unit from a 2-hole to a 3-hole unit. We also need the 3-hole unit for the stapler finisher. What else do we need? Let's select the XPS Advanced Kit. The additional memory module required is added by default. We also need licenses. The 50 user pack is fine. Let's make sure we include the application communication module. Presto! For each option added, the price and installation hours are automatically selected and shown. Now let's go to the services area, where we see the 20 hours of installation required for this machine, along with the price. And here's a great example of Econ's efficiency. If we return to the machine area and add faxing possibilities, another installation task is added to services. We see 6 hours and costs. Econ also gives us flexibility. We can decide to exclude installation from our offering. We can add a service contract to our offering. Our customer expects 100,000 copies a year. For response time, he's okay with 8 hours, and he wants a 3-year contract with us. Econ brings in the price for this contract and makes it easy for us to quickly see what the costs are for a 4 hours response time contract. Okay, it's 8,000 more, so we're going to stick with the 8 hours response. Our customer will be fine with this decision. In the pricing and finance area, we find an overview of costs and total costs for the printing machine and the services. We can add a discount, which immediately recalculates the impact on the profit. The payment terms are prepaid, which will add an extra 3% discount. For delivery, our customer wants to pick up this copier by himself. Our customer is also interested in a finance offering. By default, the interest rate is 5.6%, but as we all know, banks are facing some difficulties, so we need to calculate financing at an interest of 6.3%. Let's look in more detail at the contract. It's a 100-month contract, but Econ is telling us the maximum length is 72 months. Econ Powerful Rules Engine ensures we don't make errors anywhere. So let's look at some good news. Econ has calculated leasing at $940 per month, and it's also calculated sales commission. If I can sell this finance contract for a little higher than the advised monthly rate, it's going to make the sales commission even higher. Let's see if we can sell it for $950 per month. If you look at the new commission, you'll want to make this new rate work. In the delivery area, we can select the delivery and the invoice address. We can either select an existing customer or add a new one. The system allows us to specify the name, address, and other details. By default, the delivery address is the same as the invoice address. If we want a different delivery address, we can uncheck the default and add another address. We're almost done with this order, and it's been fast and smooth. It's time for printing. With Econ, we can print the proposal document, the service agreement, and the financial lease agreement. You name what you need. Let's print the service agreement as an example. We're choosing to print this document, but in many cases, you may want to email the document in the format that works best for your customer, such as PDF. We're done. Ready to explore the solution for yourself? Then you're ready for our hands-on demo. Thanks for watching this movie and enjoy your Econ experience.